So I get out of the shower and there's 4 of them. Okay, there was one right outside of the bathtub, and then I turn the corner and there's 3 under the bed. Sort of under the bed. And then look at what this one's doing to my shoe. No, look, all 3 of them. They're probably gonna pee on it. Because look, pee spot. Pee spot. Let's go find the others. Where are they? Okay, how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Hey guys. Hey little ones. What y'all doing? Okay, bye. Where's mommy? Yeah, where'd mommy go? Oh, you guys gonna make a break for it too? Huh? You gonna make a break for it too? Look at this one, all fuzzy. All fuzzy. Not like this one or the other ones, short hair. This one's a little fuzzy. I like it. This is the biggest girl. Yeah, the biggest girl. Look at you. You're normally over the top quick. Why didn't you escape? Look at these. Oh, going back to sleep. You're going back to sleep. Okay, let's go check on the shoes. Looks like one's gonna sleep in the shoe. Huh? Aw. Look how cute. One went under the bed again. This is great. Oh, looks like he's doing this little poop thing. This is what they do when they're gonna poop. They start backing up. This is great. Oh, fuck, he did poop. Damn it. Okay. Can't send this video to Mom. We said the F word. Oh no, oh, let's get him. We said the F word. Okay, maybe he didn't poop. Yay, maybe he's just going to. Oh, yes, yes. Sorry, Mom, shouldn't have said the F word. Okay, here we go. Look at him. They're so cute. Gotta get him toys today. Gotta get him toys. Look at this one. He's so cute. Oh, look at him. Okay, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Oh my God.